Alright, today we're going to go ahead and look at how to make a skimmer out of a cereal box. First thing we're going to do is find the separation point for my cereal box that it was glued together, and then just run my finger underneath so I can separate. And once I have it separated, notice the box comes with a lot of panels and I have these crease lines. I'm going to go ahead and cut along here so I have one big panel that I could work with. So here I have mainly separated, but I still have these other flaps. And I can cut right along the crease lines. So then I'm just left with my one large rectangle. Alright, now that I have that, I'm going to be utilizing a few things. Need to have a ruler, need to have a pencil, I'll need to have my measurement page. So my measurement page is all in millimeters. And I'm going to start by drawing the large overall rectangle, so it's 100 millimeters by 280. So first thing I'm going to do is measure from this corner. I'm going to go down 100 millimeters, which comes out to 10 centimeters. Once I find the big line, I'm going to make a dot on that side. So I made a dot there, and then I'm going to go on the other side and I'm going to line up my zero. I'm also going to go down about 100 centimeters, or excuse me, 100 millimeters, which is 10 centimeters. Make a nice dark line. And now that I've done that, I could take those 2 points and connect. Just make sure I hold the ruler down nice and firm. And now I have my line going across. So right now what I measured was my 100 millimeters down by 280. Didn't measure that 280 yet. Right now I just have that straight line. So that's something I need to do. So I have that long straight line at the bottom. Get my zero marked at the very edge. And I want to go all the way over to 280. So once I find that 28, because 28 centimeters equals 280 millimeters, I make a nice mark. Now you might have the urge just to try to go straight up and down where this mark is, but you want to measure twice. So there's 280 millimeters there, but I also want to measure it from the very top line. So as I measure it from the very top line, I make my other dot, and now I could connect those 2 points to get a perfectly straight line. So, right now I have the overall size of the box. I can look here at my page, see what I need to do next. Now, I need to go ahead and figure out this little square, which is 75 millimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to do the same way. I'm going to measure the top and I'm going to measure the bottom lines. So 75 millimeters, that's 7.5 centimeters. I got a nice line there. I measure that bottom line. Measure that 7.5. Now that I have those two, connect the 2 points. I have my nice dark line. Could always measure a second time, make sure that it was all set. Yep, that's at 75. And that also is at 75. So I have that, and then the next I need to go ahead and label 12 millimeters from the down from the top, and then 12 millimeters from the bottom. So I'm going to measure both of those. The 12. Made one line there. Do it there as well. So that goes with a straight line. Same thing. So now that I measured it there, I could notice too on here that that line actually goes all the way through, and it's going to become a dotted line. So I'm going to measure that 12 millimeters down here, and I'm going to measure up 12 millimeters to get that to connect. There's my nice dotted line. Do the same thing for the top one. All right, so now that I have that, that's my main body panel. This piece in here was just extra. So that's how to set that one up. And next I'll show you how to set up the fins in the air scoop.